Hi everyone, welcome. Did you know the average American household has over $90,000 in debt? That's everything from credit cards to student loans and more. But the good news is you can wipe out your debt faster than you think. And today I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to do it. We're going to tackle this debt head on with a plan and grit. Stick with me, and I promise you'll walk away with the tools and inspiration you need to start your journey to financial freedom. Let's dive in. First up is the debt snowball method. This one's all about building momentum, like rolling a snowball down a hill. List out every single debt you have, from the smallest balance to the largest. Attack that smallest debt with a vengeance while making minimum payments on everything else. When that first debt falls, celebrate that victory. Now, take the money you were throwing at that first debt and roll it along with the minimum payment onto the next smallest debt. This method is all about those small wins building into big victories. You'll see progress quickly, which will keep you motivated and on track to conquer your debt. Next, we have the debt avalanche method. This method is for those of you who like to play smart and win big in the long run. We're talking about tackling the debt with the highest interest rate first. That's the one costing you the most money each month, so we're cutting its head off first. Now, this method might not fail as immediately rewarding as the debt snowball, because those initial wins might be smaller. But trust me, you'll save a heap of money on interest payments in the long run. List out your debts, but this time rank them by interest rate from highest to lowest. That debt at the top, that's your new target. Attack it with everything you've got, just like we talked about in the debt snowball method. This method requires discipline and focus, but the payoff is huge. You'll be out of debt faster and save thousands in the process. Chapter 3: Debt Consolidation. Combining forces for a stronger attack. Finally, let's talk about debt consolidation. If you have multiple high-interest debts, like credit cards, you might be able to consolidate them into a single loan with a lower interest rate. Think of it like gathering all your enemies into one room. It's easier to manage one big battle than it is to fight on multiple fronts, right? A consolidation loan can simplify your payments and potentially lower your monthly costs, giving you some breathing room in your budget. But be warned, debt consolidation isn't a magic solution. If you're not careful, you might be tempted to rack up more debt once you free up some cash flow. Before you consolidate, make sure you have a solid budget and a plan to avoid falling back into debt. This is Alpella Academy. Thank you for always coming back. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest debt challenge? And which of these methods are you excited to try? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more tips on mastering your money. Let's get you debt-free and financially empowered. And remember, you don't have to do this alone. As a bonus, I've created a free debt repayment checklist to help you stay on track. Kindly check the link in the description to download it. If I can do it, I know you can as well. Thank you all, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.